will be telling you 5 points that why MBA is important in everybody's life. So let us start with the video, and I will be telling you that 5 important points which can change your life. The very first point is, in your life, you have to do planning, organizing, staffing, directing, even controlling in every aspects of your life, whether in your job or whether you are at house or anywhere. Even if you have to make your life successful, at that also you have to do all these functions of management. For that, MBA will make you a perfect management person, and that will make your life successful. Then the second point which I want to tell you is that it improves your communication skills and your confidence level, which is required at every aspect of your life. You should be confident about what you are doing. That is very important. That increases confidence within you. You are able to present yourself in front of so many people with confidence because you have very good communication and influencing skills. The third important point which I want to tell you is that it gives you a lot of exposure. It increases your contacts and tell you where you stand. You can compare yourself with others and tell that yes, I am the best, where I stand, where is the gap, that why I am not the best. So these all type of analysis can be done when you are doing your MBA. And I tell every student of mine that if you have done MBA, you can decrease 10 years of your experience for reaching that post which you can reach after doing your MBA directly. Because many students ask me that my father have not done his MBA, but still he is a manager. He is managing the company. Then I tell them the same answer, that maybe he is a manager, but he has learned through his trial and error method. Whereas if you have done MBA, then you can become a perfect manager without trial and error, with the perfect decision making powers at that very movement. Now the next point which I want to highlight is that you get lot of skills. Yes, skill enhancement, whether it is problem solving, positive attitude, whether it is leadership skills, then what is the analytical skills, technical skills, soft skill I have already highlighted. So these all skills will improve by doing MBA course. The third and the fourth I have already highlighted, which are very important. Now the last obviously, for whom you are working hard. Everybody wants to get job opportunities and want to do well in life, get highest packages which you can get through doing MBA, which is Masters of Business Administration. You can do this course because there are so many opportunities available. How? That I tell you. Now see, in MBA you have specializations which are around 10 to 12. Basically, you have marketing, you have HR, you have business analytics, you have operations, IT and finance. All these, and there are so many others like e-commerce, entrepreneurship, disaster management. There are so many specializations. Obviously, when you are going to do so many specializations, you are going to get so many hundreds of jobs related to it. So you can imagine that how important it is to do MBA for everyone. In fact, I would say that do MBA for a successful life. Thank you so much. See my videos and learn so much about management. Thank you so much.